Today we're going to be baking these delicious double chocolate cookies because festive season is here. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need to make the cookies, so let's get started. So first you're going to mix all of your dry ingredients together, so that is the cocoa powder, the all-purpose flour, and the baking soda. Mix it and make sure it is free of any lumps. Then you're going to set that aside, and in another bowl take the butter and both the sugars. And then you're going to beat the butter and the sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then add in the milk and the vanilla extract. And mix them in as well. Finally, add in the dry ingredients and incorporate them gently into the mixture. Once the flour is nearly mixed, you can also add in the chocolate chips. And mix them in till they are uniformly distributed into the cookie dough. Your cookie dough is ready to be baked. Now scoop out about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and roll it into balls and place that onto a baking tray which is lined with baking paper. Repeat that with the entire cookie dough and make sure to leave about 1 to 2 inches between each cookie. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how fudgy or crispy you want your cookies to be. The longer you bake, the crispier the cookies will get. I baked my cookies for about 12 minutes and they were perfect. You're going to let these cool on a wire rack for a few minutes and then you can dig in. These cookies were so decadent and delicious. The outside is nice and crisp, and on the inside they were fudgy and gooey, and the chocolate chips were just an added delight. Make sure to try these this festive season and let me know how they were down in the comment section. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!